guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing my Ipsy bag. So that is the $12 a month subscription. Here in Canada we pay about like 20 bucks when shipping and taxes are included. It's still not that bad. I still think it's worth it. You just get to try out new products, some full size, some deluxe size, but most of the time it's usually really good stuff. They just started putting out spoilers a couple days ago about what we are possibly going to get in March's bag. March's bag actually looks really good. Let me just take a drink here. Like, I honestly think that they are killing it with the bag designs this year so far. Like, they're really pretty. Like, that right there, I don't know if you can fully see that, but like it's like a turquoise bag. It has studs on it and it has like the lime green like not tassel, but like the string on it, like the zipper. Yeah, it looks really nice. Like all of them are around the same type of style. Like I think the plus one is like an envelope or something like that. It looks really cute, but I don't really go into what is in the plus or the ultimate just because we don't get that here in Canada. Maybe one day, like it would be nice, but I guess we'll see. Anyways, for March we are supposed to get a 6th item for free. So let's just see. So they put out the spoilers of what I guess one of the items we could be getting in the bag for a 6th item, and they are the Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream, so like the purple one. Then we got Tarte Sequence Hydrating Primer, so that one there. Then the Ofra Bronzer in Americano. That. Then we have the Complex Culture Precision Eyelid Brush. So I got their highlighting brush and it's actually really nice. So I'm not going to complain if I get that brush at all. And Pacifica Hemp Infused Eyeshadow Palette in Quartz Dusty Smoky Quartz Tiger and Crystal Flower. So just a cute little palette. And then Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Blurring Powder Foundation. So apparently those are going to be one out of the 6 items that we get. So we'll get one of those in our bag for the 6th item. So I don't know if we get to pick it or they get to pick it. I have like a dot on my glasses. Anyways, I don't know if we get to pick it or they get to pick it. I don't know. So well, I guess we'll see. Like I don't have my internet open right now, so I can't even check that. You know what? Also, no, I'll do that at the end. Okay, so we'll just dive right into the bag. I'll show you what the bag looks like first. I do have an item here that I chose. That wasn't in the bag. So this is what the bag looks like this month. It's kind of like matches me today. Anyways, this is what the bag looks like this month. It is a nice, super nice bag. Like I'm not disappointed by last month's bag, this month's bag, and the look of next month's bag. It's like velvet. It is so smooth. Like this like purpley maroony color on the top, or raspberry color. It looks really, really pretty on the top. It just says Ipsy inside. Sorry, Ipsy on the zipper, and inside is the same kind of color. It's really pretty. So we'll just leave that right there for a sec while we get into the item I chose. The item I chose was by Beauty Crop, and it looks like it is. Actually, you know what? I'll grab the thing out just so I can tell you about it. Remember the card? And it says, "Feel the love." What a Valentine's Day gift. Okay. So I got Beauty Crop Fineapple Powder Brush F203. It is a full-size item and it is a $13. Like, I just got it because it was like funky looking. Like, it's really pretty looking. It's really soft. It says, when we get our hands on a makeup brush that's pretty and effective, we never let it go. Use this ombre pink and blue powder brush to apply loose and press setting powders, powder foundation, blush, or bronzer, and to set makeup and NYX shine throughout the day. Plus, it's 100% cruelty free. So I actually like it. It actually has a cute little pineapple here. Oh, it's so cute. Plus, it's really funky. So I like it. I'm just like collecting my brushes here lately, guys. So that was the first thing. I did get another add-on, and that is a brush as well. I got the Real Her foundation brush as an add-on. I forget how much this was regular, like 20 bucks or something like that. I don't know. Anyways, I got it for like $3 because it's an add-on, so it's not, you know, it's a good deal. So, and it says nothing is impossible on the other side. Like it's super soft too. So excited. I like getting brushes. Like, I'm a sucker for brushes. Like if brushes go on to like an add-on, I always grab it. Yeah. So I'm excited for brushes lately. Alright, so we'll go in order of what is on my page. So first up is the Feel Harmony Rose Petal Facial Mask. So this is actually a good size. It says Ultra Concentrated Toning Gel. And it comes sealed. I'll just peel that off so I can give it a smell. It smells like roses, so if you are huge, not into liking rose scent things, you might not like this. Like it's a gel consistency. Like it's like a gel. Like you probably can't see that. Yeah, like it's a gel. So, it says roses are more than just a Valentine's Day gift. Proof. This gel mask that's packed with a concentrated trio of rose petals, rose essential oils, and rose flower extracts. Together, they deeply hydrate, help, and encourage skin cell turnover and calm redness and sensitivity to give you your glowiest skin ever. Here's a tip. If you want a more calming effect from this gel mask, store it in the fridge for a little extra chill. I like storing my stuff in the fridge. I actually honestly wish I had one of those like beauty fridges, like skincare fridges. Like, it smells nice. It might drive me nuts. I do like the scent of roses, but I don't know. Like, I don't, how long do you have to leave that on for? Okay, so 10 minutes, so it's not that bad. Just let's cleanse your face, dry, and apply to a dry face and leave on. Rinse and then dry face. So it's made in California, so at least it's somewhat not that bad for you. Yes, so I'll use it. Alright, next up we have, you know what, I'll do that. We'll do that one first. We have the Colored Raine Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in 24/7. So that's the packaging. And it says, looking for a lip color you can wear from work to weekend and that won't dry your lips out in the cold? This creamy liquid formula is for you. This pink liquid lipstick doesn't budge, seriously. And it dries to a gorgeous matte finish that's 0% drying, plus one swipe gives you intense color payoff. For smooth color, prep your lips with a sugar scrub and lip balm. This is apparently a deluxe size item. Oh, and the full size item of the Feel Harmony Rose Petal Mask. This is a deluxe size, and the full size version of it goes for $55. And this apparently is a deluxe item too. Like, apparently the full size item is 4 grams. So how big is this? I just have to figure out how to open it. Like, okay, like this has to be like full size. No, it's 3.5 grams. So, like, if this is a deluxe size, that's a pretty good size. So 0.5 more is full size, and it's $17. So, you know what? I don't actually have lip gloss on, so we'll try this on quickly and see what we think of it. Oh, yeah. Okay. Quick. Oh, see, I like these colors. Oh, wait, it actually, like, looks really good. Like, I screwed up a little bit there, but that's just because I was, like, rushing. So, I think I like it. It looks really pretty. Like, yeah, I like it. My camera is going to switch over soon, so let's just talk. Yeah, so this deluxe size item, like, yeah, see, told you it's gonna switch over soon. So that was a deluxe size item. I really like it. It is really pretty. It goes well with what I am wearing today. Let's just throw that into my ever-growing lip drawer. Next up, what do we have here? Next up is the Balm Cosmetics Petal to the Metal and Shift into Overdrive Turbo. We're always excited when a product from the Balm comes across our tables, and this shimmery cream shadow has quickly become our new go-to. This rose gold with silver flecks blend like a dream, and it's totally unique shade that's versatile enough for the day or to glam up your looks for a night. Use your fingers to sweep the cream eyeshadow onto your lips, then blend out with your fingers. So, va-va-voom. So that's what that looks like. Yeah, so let's just try it out quickly. Oh, it's pretty smooth, guys. I actually like it. Like, I like colors like this. Like, I think it looks really pretty. Just like a one shade on your lids kind of color, which I kind of like. So I actually like the shimmery shades. I'm actually wearing a shimmery shade right now. I don't tend to usually do that when I have flashes, but I find that if I actually clean them up properly, they're good. So the last item I got was ItCosmetics Your Skin But Better Primer and Oil Free. So it's a little dinky thing. It's so cute. Yeah, so it's so cute. So I was trying to read the thing, but it's like in French. It says all day grip. It's like the only English thing on here, besides it says apply to dry skin. It does feel like it's kind of full, but hard to tell as well. Anyways, not only does this multitasking primer keep your makeup looking fresh, it's packed with good for you ingredients like bark and ginger root extract that get your skin healthy and glowy from the inside out. This oil-free formula hydrates and helps refine pores, plus it's light, you'll barely feel it on the skin. So the full size version of this is $39, and I forgot to say how much the balm was. The eyeshadow for the full size version is $29.50. Wowzers. Yeah, so that's my Ipsy bag for this month. I like it. I will be trying everything. I'm super excited about next month. I also got this in the mail the other day. The Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. I just seen this on, like, I was scrolling through my Facebook and they're like, oh, free sample. So I went in and grabbed it. It's probably one-time use thing. It's a clearing treatment. It says problem skin, skin imperfections, pore refining, mattifying, clarifying. And yeah, it says apply a thin layer to clean skin, leave on for 5 to 20 minutes, remove with water, use as a full face mask 1 to 3 times a week. So I would assume this may be 1 or 2 uses. It's not going to be very much, but it's simple. I got it in mail. Not a big deal, right? So that's that. So I like getting little things to try all the time in the mail, so yeah, we'll give it a shot. I also got the River Soul stuff too, the skincare. I just haven't started that yet. Some people seem to like it and some people don't like it, so I just haven't done it yet. Anyways, so that was my bag. I'm kind of excited about it. I hope my hands are all glittery now from the eyeshadow. Anyways, that was my bag. That was $12 first. Oh, did I tell you how much the brush was? This was like $13. So this was like the cost of the bag. So convert this to like Canadian price, like pretty much the cost of my bag alone was this brush. So that's pretty cool. So yes, I'm excited about it. Yeah, I might use this tonight just because I feel like it's a facial mask kind of night. We'll see. Anyways, I am going to go and maybe try to do a quick cleanup in the kitchen before my daughter gets home from sledding. I hope everyone has had a good weekend because it is Monday, and I hope everyone has a good week, and I will see everyone soon. Alright, bye guys!